how I ship video. I have a few items that I'm way behind on shipping. So I want to get them out this morning before my mailman leaves. I'm just going to show you really fast that I have tried, and this whole area is under construction, so I keep moving from one spot of my downstairs, and have not fully gotten organized yet because I just don't have any room finished. So I keep moving, and therefore I'm not that organized. But my shipping process is kind of organized, and so I guess we start over. Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Nicole, and it is about 11:30 on a Friday. I am really behind. The the 2 holidays have really messed me up this month. Even though I did 200 sales in December, I am still behind on shipping. So today's closet clear out. I want to get these things shipped so that I can work on my closet adjustments and prices I can show you that might be beneficial to helping you ship faster and cheaper. So I do not have a thermal printer. I hear a lot of people talk about getting thermal printers. I just don't feel like I'm there yet. I'm perfectly satisfied with using, right now, until this one is like dead, my Brother Scanner Fax multifunction printer. It's very, very inexpensive because I buy the toner for like $14. Yes, it prints on a single sheet of paper. Is it that hard to cut them? No. I just stack them all, fold them in half, and cut them for myself. The reason that I show you why I need exactly how they need to be cut is because of the next step. I order these off of USPS.com. They come to you for free. You can get them if you set up a USPS account, and you should have one if you are doing a lot of selling, because you can order all your free boxes. I have all my priority boxes here for free. You can order them on that site, and they'll deliver them right to your house. All those things come for free, and you should be taking advantage of them. I do also try to reuse any boxes I have because I don't want to waste. So if I do have any boxes or see any boxes, I pick them up and recycle boxes constantly. So I order these right here. These actually are considered to be customs envelopes, and they have a sticky to them. This size, there's 2 different sizes. I order as many as I can. I use them a lot. And then there's this size. I believe both of them are considered customs, but I haven't had one single problem, and I've talked to my 2 different post offices I use, and they say that it's fine that I'm using these. So I will show you how I will put together an item. So once I have my entire stack of labels cut, I will write on the very, very top, I will write on the very, very top what the item is that is going to be attached to this label, and then I just give it a little cut. I do not like that Poshmark does not give us a way, unless you guys know this and there's a secret I'm missing. Sorry about that light. Poshmark does not give us some kind of way to put our inventory item on a label. I do hate that. I think that they should. The time it takes me to print out all my labels and then go through and make sure that I know what the item is I need to ship with it is kind of a waste. I usually waste, I would think, probably a half hour-ish doing that, and I think it's wasteful. So I'm hoping Poshmark makes a change to that soon. So anyway, I will cut the label like this and then write on the top and be able to peel it off easily. So right now I'm going to show you how I ship a simple little cabbie turtleneck that I sold. And I like to freshen up my items. Even though I wash them, I still like to freshen them up. I buy just a cheap fabric spray and just make sure they're fresh. It also helps with making sure there's no wrinkles. I know there's a lot of people that will pre-package their inventory and have it in little tiny bags and all set, and I ultimately would love to be there. I just can't catch up. I have way too much inventory to do that yet, but it's part of my 2020 goal. So I will spray it, I will fold it, I will put it in a piece of tissue paper and fold it up. Now, I used to use tape to close up my tissue paper, but instead I bought these roll of, and you can get these on Amazon, this roll of 1,000 thank you stickers, and they have several different styles. You can get these, and I use just one. It works as my tape / thank you card. I only write thank you cards when it's really an expensive item or something that I want to be specific about. If it's a vintage piece that I love and want to just share my background ideas on it. So it'll go like this. I will use, if I have, which you can only order on the USPS website. These are the bubble mailers. My USPS post office don't carry these. If they do, there's never enough. So these come in a big box, I think of 50 or 100. I go through these the most. So I try to get a box of these. I have 3 right now. So I will put that in there. It's really nice because, again, no tape. There you go. Boom. Okay? That simple. Make sure that my garbage is within reach because I think that you shouldn't have to make too many steps. And make sure my labels are within reach so you don't have to take too many steps. The next thing I will do is grab a label. Now on this package, the smaller bubble mailers, I will use the thinner one. This is the one I seem to use the most. So you peel off the back of it and you adhere it to the top of your bag. It leaves this little flap right here, and it has its own glue to close it up. Then I will take my label, slide it in. If my little kid is around, my 6-year-old, I have her do this part because it keeps her busy and gets me able to work. Pull off my little indicator of what the item was, put it in there, pull the tape, and boom. Package is ready to go. That is it. So go to USPS.com, set yourself up an account. Make sure you order yourself, definitely, bubble mailers. They do not usually carry them in your post office. These are the other, like Tyvek type that I will use. I don't choose these ones over those. These are a lot larger. Most items don't fill them, so they just kind of like feel like things are sliding. But keep some of these on hand. And definitely, without a doubt, if you can, get yourself these free customs forms. I have heard people complain that you're not supposed to blah, blah, blah. My post office said it was okay. Maybe ask yours. But these have saved me so much money and time because, number one, I'm not spending time putting 3 strips of clear tape over the shipping label. Additionally, I can affix these to my bubble mailers, and that way at least I save a step when I'm having nothing to do. I can have my kid do it. Additionally, why else is it really great? Oh, because clear tape, I think, is a waste of money. It's expensive. So I've kind of eliminated using clear tape at all, and this last tip I have for you about how to get that clear tape eliminated is call up or ask your post office if they will give you. If you call, they usually send 2 of these rolls for free, not with, of course, the gun, but the actual roll of priority tape. Being that everything we use is priority on Poshmark, we are allowed to use the tape on any box that we want. So this has saved me tons of money because that clear tape is pretty expensive, especially when you're shipping as much as I do. So this saves me a lot of money. The labels save me a lot of money, and I'm able to basically buy 2 rolls of the clear shipping tape. Maybe I go through one every 2 months. So I think that's a huge money saver. Those are my tips on shipping for the moment. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Have a good day.